Hello YouTubers, this is my second episode and we are playing White Noise Tales of Horror or whatever. I don't really care. Yeah. Okay. Trying to look for the tapes. How many zips do you have so far? 0. Yeah, okay. Nothing's here. Yeah. What? I think I hear a tape. Barely though. Oh, there's a tape. Milk Sonic. SOS. Whoa! Whoa! Where is he? Oh.
Whoa! Is that something in the tree?
A giant face sticking out of the ground. You see that every day. Every single day. Yeah. Kinda. I've heard of it. I don't really listen to it.
There's a tape right there. On the other side of the room.
It's inside? Well, there's the road.
Whoa.
Oh!
Get inside the building.
Is the building a little bit safer?
Behind the door.
No, I thought it was on the ground. I saw it. Behind you. I thought it was on the ground. Right there. Oh, right there. How did we not see that? Are you serious? Your battery is really running low. Brighter. Whoa!
Hello.
Scarier.
Well, that sucked. Well, okay, that's the end of the video. If you didn't like it, subscribe. If you did like it, subscribe also. Okay, bye guys.